Well, I would describe our culture as fun.
Super chill. I feel like I don't live to work, I work to live, and that's super important and meaningful, and I feel like I could just be myself.
I think it's a very inclusive culture. Everyone's so kind.
It's like me, a lot of fun, a lot of color.
I would just say it's very open and inviting, and it's just a great place to hang out.
I mean, this is the first company that I've worked at that is mostly remote, and it's surprising how much you get to know each other. Most of your coworkers you may have only met in this amount of space through Zoom.
You can walk into a room and know that you're surrounded by incredibly smart people who are incredibly curious and looking for the best solution.
It is perhaps the most interesting confluence of some of the smartest people I've ever met, the most humble people I've ever met, and working with the most interesting products I've ever seen.
Everybody comes together and works as a team. We're not working in silos. There's always a saying in customer success that it takes a Hashi village.
I actually had a coworker give me some advice up front, and she said, just ask for help. Everyone here wants you to succeed, and just as much as you want them to.
The mentality on our team is, aside from working hard, we also make sure that we take care of ourselves.
I personally suffer from a lot of anxiety, both in the social but also the workspace. And at HashiCorp, I can get on meetings with members of leadership and not feel that way.
Hashi is in the middle of growing up. So it's a startup, but at the same time we're growing, and you're seeing the transformations, not only with the company, but the people, the processes.
And our culture is very transparent, open, it's fun, but it's also very disciplined, right? I think we show up every day to have fun, but we also have the work that we want to get done.
I'd say overall it's fun and exciting. Simple.
Let's see if he'll be nice.
I got camera struck there. I was like, yeah.